Merlin here. Well, the engine is officially bolted into the hull of the Hoverstar 2+2. I got 6 bolts holding her down. And as you can see, we have prop clearance. Everything's turning freely. Nothing's hitting. So it should work. I sealed up across the bottom area here, the firewall, so if any water was to splash up into the lift engine area when hovering, it would not go into our cockpit area. I sealed up the area here on the bottom where some former owner had taken and cut too big a access panel holes. You can see the hole. I had to patch it with fiberglass, so another piece of fiberglass, and seal it up. But anyway, pretty much just got to let all that sealant dry, and I guess my next step will be to start wiring up the electrical system for the lift engine, and hook up a throttle and fuel lines, and see if this thing's actually going to hover. But yeah, that's one step closer. As you can see, we got the engine sits just a little bit lower down than it first did. So that's looking pretty good. So anyway, lift engine is bolted in and ready to start doing the plumbing and wiring. So that's one step more completed towards getting the Hoverstar 2+2 with the BMW conversion and lift engine conversion completed. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated.